In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Calendly workflows. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Automating your scheduling process can save you a lot of time and make managing your appointments a breeze. So let's dive right in. First things first, open Calendly in your web browser. If you haven't already logged in to your account, go ahead and do that now. It's simple. Just enter your credentials and hit that login button. Okay, once you're logged in, you're going to want to take a look at the left side of your screen. There should be a menu there. You're looking for the option called Workflows. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking on Workflows, you'll see a range of options. What we're focusing on today is the email reminder feature, which can really help keep both you and your clients from missing those important appointments. So go ahead and select Email Reminder. This is where the magic starts to happen. Now, you'll need to name your workflow. This step is important, as it helps you identify what this particular automation is for later on. You can name it something as simple as client meeting reminders or follow-up reminders, depending on what your workflow entails. Once you've thought of a suitable name, you'll also need to select the event type for which you want to set up the reminder. Once you've selected that, click on Apply. This brings you to the next crucial step, which is setting your triggers. Under the section marked When This Happens, you'll find the option where you can set the trigger for your email reminder. For instance, a common choice is to set the reminder before the event starts. You might want to set it 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or even a day ahead, depending on your needs. Once you've set your preferred time frame, just click Done. Now that you've set your trigger, let's move on to the next segment of the workflow. Scroll down to the Do This section. This is where you can customize your reminder. You want to be sure that your message is clear and that it contains all the necessary details your recipient might need. This could include the date, time, location of the event, and any links or additional information necessary for the meeting. Once you're happy with your customization, go ahead and click Done again. We're almost there. Now it's time to add an action to your workflow. Find and click the Add Action button. Here, you'll want to select the option that allows you to choose a template for your email reminder. Calendly comes with a few pre-designed templates that you can customize, so pick one that feels right and modify it to match your style and the tone you want to convey. Once you've done that, just click the Complete button and voila, you've successfully set up an automated email reminder workflow in Calendly. This will not only save you time, but also keep your clients informed and engaged with the meeting arrangements. And that's it. You've just equipped yourself with a powerful tool that can streamline your scheduling process and enhance your overall efficiency. If you're looking to set up additional workflows or have other features you're curious about, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and share it with others who might benefit as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy scheduling.